BioBox is an eco-friendly and easy way of recycling your kitchen waste, yard waste, and food waste through composting process, which is one of the products developed by Agri-Qatar along with other agriculture products associated with fertilizers and biofertilizers. To attain a complete sustainability, BioBox will help you to solve the waste management occurring in every individual house. So, Agri-Qatar has introduced a solution of recycling the same waste generated by the individual houses and recycling it back as a fertilizers to their own garden. Biggest challenge while starting the BioBox is to avoid smell, duration of composting, and the flies. And to overcome this challenge, we have developed another product made in Qatar called Composter, which is a composting bacteria that helps to reduce the duration of composting process and the smell, and also it will keep the flies away from the waste. So it can be kept inside the home or the garden. BioBox will surely play a key role in maintaining the sustainability of the environment. That is, if people practice recycling the waste and make it a compost which is used in their land, eventually the land of Qatar will be more fertile in the future. Depending on the moisture of the waste, increase the amount of cocoa substrate and composter bacteria for a better result. Let's all contribute to the Qatar vision of 2030. Be a part of sustainability. Support local products. We love Qatar.